Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. Ready to make gorgeous emails? I'll show you how to connect Canva straight to Mailchimp. Open Canva, then in a new tab, log into your Mailchimp account. Click Integrations, search for Canva, and select it. This connects your accounts, allowing seamless design sharing between the two platforms for improved workflow and campaign creation. Select Run Bar from the menu, then click the Connect button to establish the connection. This initiates the process, allowing you to proceed with running your application or script smoothly without interruptions or errors. Click the Continue button to proceed to the next step in the setup process. Click the Share button, choose the desired sharing option, then select Allow to grant the necessary permissions for accessing and sharing your content securely. Canva is now connected to your Mailchimp account. You can easily import your designs and create email campaigns directly, streamlining your workflow between both platforms seamlessly. Access your Canva designs directly here. Select any design you want to use, then seamlessly integrate it into your Mailchimp campaigns. This feature streamlines your workflow by allowing easy transfers from Canva to Mailchimp, saving time and enhancing your email marketing efficiency. Click the template to select it. Once selected, the design will appear on your workspace. You can then customize it according to your needs. This allows you to quickly apply pre-made layouts and edit them to fit your project efficiently. This completes the steps to integrate Canva with Mailchimp for seamless design and email marketing synchronization. Now you know how to integrate Canva with Mailchimp for sleek email designs. Like and subscribe for more quick tips.